easier to count as well. All right, might as well change this to 20. Let that run. Now I'll go find my code. You can have a look at it. Right, we got the first bit here, and there's our 20-sided. Right, proper triangles in their places. This is this part here of the code does what this would do. It creates all the vertexes, the vertex array. Got the for loop that runs through, does the applies the transform to it. It's possibly a little more complicated than it needs to be, but it works, so I'm happy. Right, we got the second part here that creates the indices matrix, or not matrix, array. And it has another for loop that just iterates through and chooses the right ones, that proper winding and whatnot. All right, that should be good for those. Let's look at the questions. I'm still recording. Yes. The questions we got. So opening the first triangle demo, I've already changed the values, so we'll see what happens with the z values change on some of the vertices. So this should be due to the z value putting it outside the view limit on the frustum, the view frustum, so that it's then clipped out in the rendering stage, which means that only the part of the triangle that is going into the screen but does not reach the limit will render. So that's why we have a smaller triangle, and the trapezoid, because the top part gets cut off. So because this I currently have it has both. So on to number 2. So why would we want to change the options for the viewport? Well, I could see this as being a good idea for any sort of pop-ups, whether they be like error messages or interface features for a game, like menu or inventory. That's what I would imagine that would be used for, although probably abstracted up a bit through like a game engine. Normally, I would imagine. We got, and then the DXGI formats. These are resource data formats, and the bits on the end, this one in particular means unsigned integer, which means that it's formatted into unsigned integer. That's how it's sent over. And the other one, I'm not sure where it is in the thing because it's 300 lines. There's a lot, but it's unorm, which means unsigned normalized. So I would imagine that's unsigned with, normalization applied. And oh, there it is. Found it right here. So this is used to format the buffer and send it off to the GPU. In particular, this is the red channel used for types and type lists. All right, thank you very much.